What is up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another crazy video for you that's coming from our peoples over at Amazon. Uh, as you know, Amazon is going through a lot of changes, and they are actually wanting to get more information from us. All right, with the recent update, they are trying to use third-party applications. All right, they want information from third-party applications to see what we are doing, what are we watching, and they want to collect that information. But before I get into it, shout out to Miss Octavia who actually shared this video via email. Also, shout out to the young man who actually put it out there that I saw that Miss Octavia shared this video with me, Nathan Carter. All right, I'm quite sure he know who I am. He probably watched a couple videos. All right, but shout out to Nate. He did a wonderful job with this. With that being said, guys, Amazon is tripping, right? They are wanting a lot of information out, right? They are wanting to collect our data, and they've been doing this for a while, and we've been keeping them at bay. But this is the reason I tell y'all it's time to move on, because each update they're going to be turning things on that you just don't know about. All right, and so check this out here. Let me go on up here. Let's get it popping right now. Let me go over here to the settings. All right, let's go to the settings. Let me drop down. First of all, let me go into the My Fire TV. All right, I'm gonna go into the about, guys. So I want to show you what I am on. Let me just make this a little bit smaller. So after the update, I'm currently on the Fire OS 8.1.1.1. All right, so a recent update just came through. All right, and when I check for updates, you see that I last checked today, which is Sunday, June 23rd, 2024, the time that I'm recording this video. But now let's go back over here to preference. And these are some of the things you need to follow right here. Let's go into preference. Let's go into privacy settings because you see it right there. Click on your privacy settings. Privacy, I meant, right? And check this out what Amazon done with this update. When I go into manage, sharing from apps, it tells me right here, it says it's turned on. I know I done turned this off a few times, but with the recent update, it's turned on. And on the side, it tells you make it easier to continue watching your favorite shows, improve your recommendations and ads and more. Select on to allow supported third party apps to share your viewing and content information with Amazon. And so when you click in here, it goes into it a little bit more, telling you, making it easier to continue watching your favorite shows, improve your recommendations and ads and more. If you select on supported third party apps, all right, they trying to trick you with that supported third party apps. They know who they're coming after. They're coming after these third party apps that share movies, TV shows, and we get to watch them for free. All right, instead of paying some subscription. So skip that word supported, right? Just eliminate that from this article right here. It said on third party apps will share your viewing and content app information with Amazon. So it's telling you Amazon want this information. Share information includes data about your watch activity, watch list, recordings, and rental and purchases from the apps. I don't know too many cord cutter streaming movie and TV show streaming apps that you have to pay for. All right. We'll apply your choice to all apps that support this feature. All right. They can go, listen, the first thing you want to do, turn this bullcrap off immediately. Turn it off. That way you know you're good. Once it's off, you see it. I mean, just make sure that this is off. It's telling me that it's off, and you want to do that immediately. All right. I don't know what's going on with Amazon. I mean, it's really getting extremely dangerous using their device because they're becoming haters. All right. That's what it is. They made their money. They made their mark in the cord cutting community, and we all know they're going to a whole new operating system. All right. I suggest anybody that has Amazon Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, any of these devices, definitely check that because after they do these updates, they cut on a lot of you know data collection features, and they're checking on you. They're seeing if it was up to me, I would definitely be rocking with a 4K. All right, let me turn this off right quick so you can see it. Go with a 4K on Google TV, as you see right there. I'll put it right there. This is only 20 bucks at your nearest Walmart. You can order online or you can go and pick it up yourself. Now, if you want something that's a little bit powerful and it has a lot more storage, then definitely go with this one. This is the new on 4K Pro streaming devices that come. This comes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal. This one right here, 2 gigs of RAM. All right, 2 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of internal storage. This device costs 20. This one is 50, but it's so well worth it. You can go either way. Get off of that Amazon Fire TV. I know some of y'all are some diehard Fire TV device holders. Y'all don't want, y'all just refuse to get away with it. Leave from it. I understand, but you're gonna have to keep fighting. I mean, you really gonna have to really check your devices like once, twice a week just to make sure an update hasn't come through, and turn all of these collecting options on. Data collection options. All right. If you have any questions or you have a video for me, you want me to, detail a video, send your email to asksuperdelltv@gmail.com. Again, asksuperdelltv at gmail.com. See you on the next one, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Get away. Get away. Move on. All right. I'm out, guys. Peace.